Hi.
Oh, hi. Can I help you?
Yes, my name is Tim. I'm here to meet JJ.
You're the new guy.
Yeah, I'm the new guy. Yeah. I think I'm supposed to meet JJ.
Oh, sure thing. Yeah, I'll get him. I'm buzzing JJ. JJ?
Yeah.
Tim's here.
Oh, great. I'll be right out.
He'll be with you in just a moment.
Hey, Jena!
Yeah? Mr. Sampson, this is Tim, the new associate.
Hi.
Hi, Tim. I like your hair. Pleasure to meet you. Hey, can I see you in my office for one moment?
Sure thing, Mr. Sampson. JJ will be with you in just a moment.
Tim?
Yes.
Hey, JJ.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
It's your first day at work, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
first day. Okay, great. Well, why don't I kind of show you around, get your bearings before you head to your desk. Sound good?
That would
Great.
be-
Follow me this way. Here's the copy room. That's where you can get your copies made, as well as coffee is in there. And then this is the supplies closet. So if you need paper, pens, pencils. Hey, Kenny.
It's Kenneth.
Wow. Oh, hey. Okay, we're going to head to your office. It's just around this corner over here. And here's the office space where you're going to be working. There's your computer workstation where you're going to be most of the day. And this is the game. This is everyone that you're going to be working with. Everyone say hey to Tim. It's his first day here at work. So make him feel welcome, okay? Hey, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask these guys because I'm sneezing! Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
That was a vicious one. Allergies this time of year, they really get to me. No, but like I said, these people have been here for years. So if you have any questions, I'm sneezing!
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Oh man, my allergies. What is going on?
Are you actually saying I'm sneezing?
Hey, look, I'm going to be around the corner. So if you have any questions, give me a holler. I'll come right back in. Or like I said, ask these guys, all right? You guys have a good one.
Are you really though?
I'm sneezing!
I'm drinking coffee.
I'm yawning.
I'm lying to you.
I'm typing insurance things.
I'm highlighting.
Crossing my legs.
I'm biting my nails.
I'm transferring.
I'm
this
procrastinating.
I'm sorry.
I'm drinking
call.
coffee.
Pretending to work.
I'm texting my
I'm
mom.
raising my voice for no apparent
Good morning,
reason.
Typhoon.
I'm raising my voice for no apparent reason.
No.
I'm putting this call.
I'm downloading music
Nope.
illegally.
I'm googling boobies.
Doing cake.
I'm coming out of the closet.
I'm making copies.
Cheating on my wife!
I'm giving up promotion!
I'm farting.
Oh, looks like we're stuck.
I think I got some of it in my eye.
I'm sorry, what? Breathe through it.
I'm still sneezing!